Hey, if you have Wi-Fi problem on the POCO F6 Pro, let me show you two ways how we can try to fix this. So first of all, you will have to navigate into the settings and we have to go for the more connectivity options, and I will highly recommend you to perform reset of the Wi-Fi, mobile networks and the Bluetooth. So we'll actually bring back all the default network settings by clicking here on the reset settings and then inputting our screen lock. But if for some reason it still doesn't work and you still have your Wi-Fi problems, I will highly recommend you to go for About Phone and perform the factory reset. So this will actually erase all data from your phone, bring back all the default settings, and also it helps in the most cases. But if you still have this issue, I will try to check if your Wi-Fi is actually working properly on other devices, like for example on your other smartphone, on your TV, on your PC, on your game console. And if you still have this issue, that's probably something with your Wi-Fi router that you should actually change. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.